Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find all of your saved voice messages on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, everything is much easier to navigate, and I'll show you exactly where to look so you won't lose track of your important recordings. First, open up the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with your account. Once the app is open, head straight to the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, type in Saved Messages. This is your personal cloud storage within Telegram where you can keep files, notes, and of course, all of your saved voice messages. When Saved Messages appears in the search results, click on it to open the chat. This space works just like any other conversation, except it's private to you. You've probably sent or forwarded messages here before, but now we want to locate every voice message specifically. Next, look toward the top of the chat window. You'll notice the name of the chat, which is labeled as Saved Messages. Click on this title to open the detailed section of the chat. From here, you will see different categories to browse through your stored content. Now, look for the option that says Voice Messages. Click on it, and just like that, Telegram will display every voice message you've ever stored here. Instead of scrolling endlessly through the chat history, they're now gathered in one convenient place, making it much faster to find the recording you need. You can listen to any of the voice messages directly, forward them to other chats, or even download them to your PC if you prefer having copies saved outside of Telegram. This organization feature means no more hunting around through long message threads to locate a single voice note, and that's it. With just a few clicks, opening the Telegram app, searching for saved messages, entering the chat, clicking on its name, and finally entering the voice messages section. You now have every recording right at your fingertips. If this helped you, go ahead and give it a try right now, so all your important voice messages stay easy to find and well organized.